Welcome to KitKat YouTube channel. We are going to sketch with SolidWorks. Select the front plane or any plane you have and draw corner, rectangle, triangle. Select the line and join with the midpoint of the corner, rectangle, triangle, and give dimension with smart dimension in SolidWorks. As given, follow the steps correctly. Use point to point arc and draw the heart shape. Heart shape is because today is Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day special. In terms we can say as contour. As the following steps. Use control key and select the points for coincide relationship. To any relationship you can use control key. This is a basic method of drawing the contour. There is many method. It is a type of method. Now you are going to use as line and going to sketch words. SolidWorks. Select the extrude bar space and extrude up to the given limits. Select the contour. This is the main thing. And give OK. Select the contour properly and give OK. Now there are two methods. Lengthy method is done now. Select the sketch. You can use convert entities in the process, but we are going to use another method is copy. We are going to use copy method by just simply draw the line and execute again the process. You can do with convert entities. It will be given in next tutorial. The word love is changed to one face to another face. So you can extrude cut the word. Now half of the dimension of thickness of the contour and select the face and OK. Now the contour is ready. Let's give appearance. Change the color of the contour with appearance tool. You can give as you wish by selecting plane, surface or part or point or line or complete part. You can give any types of colorings or apply materials in this. Select the plane, select the surface and apply what your color or material you choose for the unique. I use yellow color and red color, which is so pretty good. And this is today's Valentine's Day, so this is Valentine's Day special. A simple contour. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone for watching the video till the end.